Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. I have another solar washing system I want to show you. It's 2 arrays with 2 washing manifolds. There are no roof penetrations in my system. Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. Alright, I want to show you quickly how to mount these custom brackets onto the panels and not have any penetrations in your roof. I have this C-clamp. It's a specialized C-clamp, galvanized. I get on Amazon, and there's 2 ways to mount this. If it's got a straight flange underneath there, you'll mount it like this underneath. This one's got the molded one, so it's going to be mounted like this. Okay, I use a 1.5 by 1.5 L bracket. I drill these 2 holes out to 5/16 to accommodate the 1/4 inch bolt. I put that L bracket in there, trying to get this lined up here. Make sure that the bottom of the C-clamp doesn't go up against the glass, so bring it down about 1/16 of an inch. Okay, finger tight that, and then hold it here and go ahead and tighten it up. Make sure you've got the 1/16 of an inch there. It's very important. Expansion, contraction, it might push pressure on that glass and break it. Okay, so go about 8 to 10 foot-pounds. Okay, there's a lock nut here also. Spin that on there. Excuse the dogs this morning. Okay, snug that up. There we go. Then I use a 1/2 inch EMT 1-hole strap. You can use 3/4 inch. If you use 1/2 inch, you have to flare it out a little bit. If you use 3/4 inch, you have to pinch it in a little bit. I found a 1/2 inch to be a little bit nicer fit. Put the 3/4 inch long by 1/4 inch bolt in here. All right, I had a length of this array here at 20 feet, so I spread the washing heads at 10 feet apart, center to center. The width of the array is 11 feet, so I'm using Van 12s. And in the middle there, I'm going to change it out later to Van 15 to get a little bit better overlap in the corners. It's got pretty good coverage, but I think we can go a little bit better by changing to the Van 15. So that's working good. And this array up here, I just put a 4-foot manifold with a Van 12 that covers all the way down to here and across, and I put a Van 4, that 4-foot length there in the middle, and it reaches out to the end and over here, so that works out really well on this one here. So that's good. All I gotta do is adjust that other middle unit to a Van 15. Let me get up here and show you without getting too wet. So I did the 1/2 inch PVC with the clamps like I showed you, and then that 1-hole strap holds it really nice. Painted it the aluminum color so the PVC does not deteriorate. You gotta paint the PVC. And I'll change that one out to a Van 15 and the one at the end. I temporarily ran the hose up here. When I come back to do the change out on that Van 15, I'll adjust the hose and get that all secured. We got it all adjusted and just want to get that done today. Alright, and then we have a hose connecting the end of this one up to that one there. Okay, everything's working really well. I pray that you are blessed, that you know Him who is the author of life.